Yeah. It's your boy Wolf, nigga. Get familiar with this team, man. Yeah. Yo, get familiar. Yeah, we is the team. And ain't really nothing all we really do is dream. Watching how we shine. Watching how we doesn't understand these niggas ain't fucking with us cause we is buzzing on the stand out. We getting money. And all you little niggas, we laughing at you cause you funny. Understand your bitch is on me and she really wanna blow me. Understand that make sure these niggas know me. Wolf, niggas stunting up the caddy. Yes, motherfucker, mama's right, stunting like my daddy. Ain't nothing I done this shit properly. Play this game in the round like it's Monopoly. Ain't nobody doing this like me. I play this game right. I does it well. I got niggas that is on my dick talking about some featuring, but I ain't trying to hear shit.
Get familiar, nigga.
Yeah, get familiar with the team, dog. That was a quick freestyle for y'all niggas, man. You feel me? Wolf is in a whole other wave, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Wolf, nigga. I am Wolf, y'all. Real talk, man. If, you know what I'm saying? We just listen to young niggas hustling out here. We don't even hustle, dog. That's the funny part about it. Money. Get it, man.